wow, honey, what? This place looks spotless.
Thanks.
Hey, so listen, I have come up with this killer idea for the Spotless Scrub campaign.
Great. You want to run it by me?
No, I'm good, but thanks.
Okay.
Well, that's the thing. You know how whenever I pitch in the boardroom, O'Rourke and Hennessy always teared my ideas down in front of the partners?
Yeah?
I invited the partners and their wives over so I could pitch to them here. And I thought maybe we could make a formal dinner for 6. We could sit, we could...
And when exactly would this formal dinner take place?
Day after tomorrow. Yeah, I know. It's short notice.
You think? How am I supposed to pull off a formal dinner with no warning?
I don't know. Bree Vandekamp does this kind of thing all the time.
What did you say?
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. That's... You know what? Forget it. I'll call and I'll cancel. Just don't worry about it.
No, let's do it.
Really?
Yeah, it's good for your career. I'll pull it off.
Yes. Honey, thank you so much. You know what? I promise. I land this account and I'm going to buy you something awful pretty.
Luckily for Tom, Lynette had a recipe for success. Unfortunately for her, she was missing the secret ingredient.
O'Rourke and Hennessy always teared my ideas down in front of the partners. O'Rourke and Hennessy always teared my ideas down in front of the partners. So I could pitch to them here.
How am I supposed to pull off a formal dinner with no warning? How am I supposed to pull off a formal dinner with no warning? Yeah, it's good for your career. I'll pull it off. Yeah, it's good for your career. I'll pull it off.